Hey, the girl is all checked in, waiting to board. Hello, arrived. I'm running. Arrived at Istanbul. It's a connecting flight. I am very late. Plane departs in 20 minutes. I don't know if I'll make it at this point. I don't know what to do. Let's wait and see, I guess. Connecting flight has been missed. Next flight is tomorrow at 9 a.m. Unfortunately, because I do not have a Turkish visa, I cannot get a hotel outside the airport. So I have to figure out accommodation inside the airport. Home for the night. Denial is done. We're now in the acceptance stage of grief, and we are cool with this option. Oh,
early the next morning.
let me get going. Shoes. Pack, then go. See if I can get an upgrade. I am ready to head out. Oh, that is a heavy bag, but I'm ready to go to the airport. That airport is a little bit traumatizing. I don't know if I'll be looking forward to using Istanbul airport for a very long time. I know I have to use it to go back to Nairobi, Kenya, but after that, unless it's the last option on the planet, unless it's the last option, I am not setting foot on this airport again. Of course, unless I want to come and visit Turkey, then maybe I'll be a little bit, I'll go for therapy before I come. Anyway, let me go to the airport, or rather is it the airport streets, because I'm already in the airport. But yeah, you get what I'm saying, See you on the other side of this planet, I guess. So no upgrade, as expected. I honestly didn't have so much faith in them. I would expect that their breakfast voucher will be a better option, but they still give me the same options of Burger King, Sparrow. I don't even know I lost that thing. Burger King, Sparrow, Popeyes, and some other two places. Disadvantage of that is I'm lost. Disadvantage of that is they don't offer good breakfast meals, so I guess I will not have that. I will just maybe eat whatever they offer me in my economy class ticket in a plane to Edinburgh. At least I'm going. There's a positive to everything, I guess. I haven't been outside for over a day and a half. It's so cold. I love that. The feeling of outside, even when in jail, or what feels like jail. They have a terrace where you can experience the outsideness of this world, I guess. Oh, so let's sit here for 5 minutes. Just enjoy that. It's a no smoking terrace. Of course, there's someone there trying to make sure that I don't smoke. I'm not planning to. I don't smoke, regardless. Can you hear the birds chirping? Love it. I should have discovered this space yesterday to just come and think about my life and breath of fresh air, as they put it over there. But I didn't, and it's fine. I just discovered it. I am on my way looking for someone who I can give these food vouchers. I now have two, and I don't think I'll use any of them. Boarding is happening, so I need to get back to the gate. But if I see someone, may the Lord lead me. If I see someone who might be in need, they'll be the lucky winner of a food voucher of junk. But I'm sure they will need it more than I will. So yeah. Airport survival hack. I've now become an expert with hacks. If you didn't carry any of the perfumes, just go to the duty-free spots and spray something on you so that you don't, at least you smell like luxury as you get on to your next flight. Now you know. In God's true fashion, He showed me someone to give the food vouchers to. So I gave both of them. I only took chips. I was ordering the chips and the pizza, knowing that I would not have the pizza and the soda because I went to Sbarro. And then there was this lady who was just there ordering, and she has two babies, and she looked very disappointed with the pricing. And yeah, she is blessed with one full meal and a pizza and a soda for another. I'm happy. Finally get to board. Yay! Busy flight, as you can see. Bye. Welcome to Edinburgh. This is Gracie Kami. I'm reporting live from Edinburgh, Scotland. I am seated here with so much hope, hoping that my suitcase will appear. It left me yesterday when I was left. It was the plane that left me. So I hope it's here. What do I do? I've never had this experience before. Do I just go to baggage claims? Let me see. I got my baggie. It is just there waiting for me. And now I can enjoy Scotland. See you on the outside. Exit only.
One eternity later.
The long journey to Nairobi begins. Let's try this again. Departure time. Nairobi journey starts now. It's gonna be a long one. getting home at 4 a.m. So it's now 11:30, so we can only imagine how long that would be. Long stay over, what is it called? Transit. What is it called? Anyway, long whatever at Istanbul. I guess that's what is making this journey very long. But it is what it is. Check in and we go in here. Just have to take a picture in case, right? Hello from a traumatized girl from these corridors of the airport in Istanbul. It is now 6 p.m. Kenyan time. Boarding time is at 9. So 7, 8, 9, 3 hours of just chilling. Let's see how that goes for me. Meanwhile, let me go look for a snack. Because I only had breakfast in the plane, which I really didn't finish. Now I'm hungry, a little bit hungry, understandably, because it's 6 p.m. Kenyan time and I've been eating with Kenyan time when I was away to just help me keep up with my fasting times. So yeah, let's go do that. A little bit of duty-free shopping. How true this duty-free thing is, I'm not so sure, but I seem to always get original perfumes scents from this place, so I guess might as well just run with that consumerism. Run with that consumerism. Yeah. Hiya. Let's do some shopping. Let's see what we can get. Especially scents that I'm out of. If I can get them, that would be amazing. Secured. Now we go look for food. As I'm snacking on my nuts and charging my phone, this is important information, especially for us Kenyans who use the 3-socketed plugs. You can get this here near gate C2. C2 is over there. It's important because I know you will be looking for this type of sockets, especially if you didn't carry the adapter that you need to always carry. But I think my assumption was I'm going to the UK also uses the same kind of plugs as we do, so I don't really need to carry that until you get stuck in an airport for more than 12 hours. Then you realize that regardless of wherever you're going, as long as the connecting flight is not in the country where your plugs connect, you need your adapter thingy. Anyway, I learned about this spot and I'm happy to share so that you don't have to walk as much as I did. I think the first time I walked like 5,000 steps to get to this place, because most of the sockets I was getting were the 2 sockets and the USB. but nothing with the 3-plug kind of sockets. But now you do have that option. Or the other issue was my type of charger is a type C to type C. Type C to type C option. So a type C to type C they have not upgraded their charging systems to cater. Sorry, let me just return it back to the charge because I'm using it to watch my Netflix. They have not upgraded their Wi-Fi system, their charging system, to get type C to type C chargers sorted. Anyway, the other thing you need to know about this place is that their Wi-Fi, you might only get free Wi-Fi for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you need to buy, or like me, you can go and buy coffee in a hotel, and then technically you have that Wi-Fi forever. So every time you need to come here, you just go and sit close to that hotel. You don't have to buy again. It's a one-off investment. Yeah, so that's what I did. I haven't tried using it again because of the charging spots. This charging spot is far from everything else. But I'll go see if that theory of mine worked, because I figured that out again. Last time when I was stuck here for over 12 hours. I've never been stuck in an airport for that long, so I never really cared about such things. But now they're important, and now we think we need to know these things. Anyway, let me charge my phone, watch Netflix, eat my natties, and wait for this to get full so that I can go get a snack at that place where I connected my Wi-Fi, or get in a new place and get new Wi-Fi. But I doubt I will be using this airport unless I really have to, unless it's like the last option on the planet and on the Skyscanner scanning system. Yeah, I'm not using this airport anytime soon. But still, it's important to just have those tactics in place. Anyway, I'm done rambling. Talked a lot. Airport foods are very expensive. For a banned chicken roll and a single cup of cappuccino, I spent 2,200 shillings. 2,200 shillings. Anyway, it's fine. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I can't wait to go to eat. It is now 8:40. So you can imagine. Still don't know the details of my gate. The flight seems to have been extended in time with like 30 more minutes. So there's that. Anyway, let me eat. I am starving now. Boarding time! Yay! This might be the end. No, one more stop. I think I will pick my camera again when we land. Maybe in the flight a little bit. It's really hard to record in economy because people's faces are everywhere. But we'll see. But let's board for now. Landed safely. Home now. Yay. That was a good trip. I'm happy to be home though. Now it's sleeping time. Editing Grace over here. Thank you so much for watching all through this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. And I will see you in my next video. Have a beautiful weekend.